Namaste. Today we are going to look at how to practice Sirsasana. This practice you can do either by the wall or without the wall. To start, sit in Vajrasana. Then measure your hands. Then bring your elbows on the ground. Interlock your fingers. And bring middle part of forehead and top head on the ground. Lift your hips up. Walk forward. And then first you want to bring one leg up, down, another leg up, down. Like that you can do, so that if in case there's any fear, it can go away. And then once you're ready, then you lift one leg up and then use the core and bring another leg up. Keep your knees near the chest. Once you're ready, knee towards the sky. And then once you're confident, bring both feet towards the sky. And you can hold the asana. This asana can be held between 30 seconds to up to 10 minutes. This asana is king of the posture. So if you don't have time, you can go ahead, warm up yourself a little bit and then do the Sirsasana. To come down, bend your knees, bring the knees close to your chest, and then use the core, bringing one leg at a time, very slowly coming down. All the core muscles are used. Stay in child pose and rest. So that was Sirsasana. Thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Namaste.